Hi, it's Mrs. Creeves. Congratulations on finishing up all of the welcome materials and your first assignments. Now we're going to get started in looking at what we're really going to do in terms of content. So again, we always want to start up at this content button. And so your welcome and important course information and your first assignment should be done. And you should have found this video. You won't see it just yet because I'm making it right here in the introduction. So after you've completed this introduction, this is what this is going to look like. Each unit is somewhat similar. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like on the left side here. You're going to have lessons, you're going to have a practice quiz, and sometimes a tutor simulation, sometimes not. A unit quiz, and then any extra resources. So each topic is comprised of those four things every time, so you don't get too lost. So you'll see once you click on it, click on Unit 6, you're going to see this, review of fractions and mixed numbers. All right, so we're going to do some review. You are going to start in 6.1, and you might see a little bit more here because this is my screen and not necessarily yours. So you're going to click on Lesson 6.1, Begin Here. And this is really, really, really important. Our class works very differently from the other classes at IVS, because this little box that you're seeing here is actually a totally separate program. So whatever we do in this box does not communicate with anything outside of the box. So that's kind of a problem. We're working through it. I have a couple little workarounds, but that's what I need you to know is that we're going to spend a lot of time in this box, and you're going to come back to it and you're going to think you're done because it's going to get a check mark, and it's not. So we're going to start every unit with a pre-assessment. This pre-assessment comes in here, it loads a bunch of questions. I hit begin to get started. And if you know how to do it, I want you to try the problem. If you don't know how to do it, then you just hit skip. Okay, so for our purposes, I'm just going to hit skip on everything so that I can get to the end really quickly. So there we go. Oh, I got nothing correct. Shocking. That's okay. If I got some stuff correct, that's great. If I didn't get anything correct, that's fine too. That's what a pre-assessment is for. It's just kind of identifying what do we not need to go over for you. So then I'm going to hit continue and look at what pops up. This thing called my learning path, which is where you're going to spend the majority of your time while we're in a unit. You're going to click on each of these different ones on the days that you're supposed to. So we're going to start with Introduction to Fractions and Mixed Numbers, and then once we finish that, we're going to go on to proper and improper fractions. So let me go back to how do you know what you're doing when you're supposed to do it? So if we go back up, I'm clicking on the home, so it takes us back home here. So look at here, right over here on the right-hand side, this is our pace chart. This is something, if you have the ability to print it off, I would really love for you to do that because you can use it to sit by you and check things off as we go. So let me just scoot this over a little bit so you can see it. So on the dates, you want to kind of submit something. This is like an outline for you. But I will say that if you miss a day or something, like you're not going to get immediately taken off points for anything. So when we start here with the due date, that's what you're doing on that day. And it'll tell you the type of assignment that you're going to have to do over here on the right-hand side. Okay, so I just widened that so we can see it a little bit better here. So you want to work on each of these things. So for the first couple of days, I would like you to finish all your welcome stuff by the 14th. So we did the initial communication assignment, the orientation reflection, and the expectations quiz. Done, yay. So then we can continue to look. So on the 15th, I want you to be focusing on the pre-assessment for Unit 6, which is just what I showed you where I skipped through everything. And then look, these topics right here, Introduction to Fractions and Mixed Numbers, Proper and Improper Fractions, Factors and Primes, this is exactly what we're going to find when we go back to this content and we click on that Lesson 6.1 Begin Here link and go to My Learning Path. Look, those are all the same topics. So that's basically saying, hey, I want you to do Introduction to Fractions and Mixed Numbers on the 19th. So you're in here in Lesson 6.1 and you go, oh, this is what I'm supposed to do today. So you click on that, and I want you to notice that in each of these, so I'll just show you, it says multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. So each of these topics that we click on has a warm-up, a presentation, worked examples, topic text, practice, and review. You're going to want to do all of these with the exception of topic text. look at this. This topic text, it's like reading a book, okay? And I think that's a little bit too much for all of us because look at where I'm at. I'm just scrolling down and I gotta go and go and go. I mean, there's so much here. If we had a lot of time, we'd maybe go through some things together. But we're not gonna do that together. So I'm gonna go back to this little home thing here. So see how I just scrolled through that topic text and now it has a check mark. This is where all these check marks start popping up. Well, you want to come in, you want to start with the warm-up, go through that. It'll say next. You want to go to the presentation, then you say next. You want to make sure you're going through each thing thoroughly, okay? Because otherwise you're going to email me and you're going to be like, why don't I have a purple check mark? Or why don't I have this? Or whatnot. We just want to get through all of those. And the last thing that you really want to make sure you get through is the review. That is your little quiz for this unit. And that's where I get your grade for this unit. So I will look to see that you've completed all these other things, but the review portion is where I pull the grade. So just so you know that. It's 5 points for each topic. So let's go back. Once I have completed some stuff in here, I might see a little ribbon pop up. Once I'm done and I've completed everything to review, I'll see a check mark pop up, and then I move on to the next topic, which, let's see, when is that due? So the proper and improper fractions is on the 20th. Anytime you want to get ahead, that's fine. So look down here, look at the 26th. The 26th says review day, and it says Dropbox assignment. It doesn't say presentation, examples, practice, review, blah, 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 that's in the what we call the NROC. It's not the stuff that's in here. There's no review day in here. So what am I supposed to do? So that is going to show up inside lesson 6.1, and it will show up right in between here. Right in here is where you'll see the review assignment for the Dropbox, and you'll click on that. So that's why it's important to look at our pace chart, and it's important to follow through with the things on the units. So see how there's a couple different review days here. There's another review day here. The unit review practice quiz, that is when we get into lesson 6.2. So look at here. Lesson 6.2 is going to give us our practice quiz. It's going to look and feel like the actual quiz that you're going to take, but it only counts for completion. So whatever you do, I'll see that you completed it and you get 10 points. It's just for you to practice and get a feel for what kind of questions are going to be on the quiz and what that feels like to take it on the actual computer. And then there's a tutor sim day that you'll practice doing this tutor sim. This one is interesting because the tutor sim is like this guy's talking to you and you're answering questions. You want to do your best on the questions because this is a grade out of 5 points, and you'll get a percentage correct when you're done. So it's not, terribly it's not going to hurt your grade, but at the same time, I know some students have just kind of clicked through and then they don't get a good grade and then they're confused. So just make sure you do try there. So that's that. Hold on, let me close this for us. So that's a tutor sim day, and then the Unit 6 quiz. We'll go back to the Unit 6 and down to the Unit 6 quiz in lesson 6.3. So there's your quiz that you'll click on. Please note with your quiz that you do have a limited amount of time, but it's not terrible. Like it says it has 60 minutes. If you go over the 60 minutes, it's okay. Don't worry about it. So come back to Unit 6, and then we go all the way down here to Unit 6 resources. If you want to look at any of the learning objectives, or you need a glossary or glossary in Spanish, that's for you to do. So I hope that makes some sense to you. I'm going to click this in the introduction so that you have an opportunity to see it, and then we'll keep going back to this. I also have in here, I forgot to show you this, when you're done with your 6.1 stuff, I have this lesson 6.1 screenshot completed unit map. That's so I can see that you're done and so that you know that this is the next step you have to take before you can move on to anything else. So there's a video in here of how to take a screenshot of your unit map. It will look something like this. You'll see the lesson numbers, the begin here information, and see how all these check marks are here? That will be there, and you'll take that screenshot and you'll click it on add attachments. It's not a grade, it's just something to help you know, hey, wait, do this before you move on. Okay, I have talked way too long. Hopefully that helps you reference this video as you go here. The last thing I'm going to say is make sure you're checking the news. I don't have anything up here right now, but by the time you get into class, there'll be a welcome and a video on how to do that you've probably already seen. So have a great day. Let me know if you have questions. Take care.